The civil authority has issued an immediate evacuation for the following counties: Copiah, Mississippi, beginning at 5:48 a.m. on November 13, 2021, effective until 11:48 a.m. Message from WDFA/CAP. Evacuations are underway in Hazelhurst due to an extremely dangerous situation regarding an explosion in downtown. Officials request that no items be taken but ones that are irreplaceable or essential. Updates will be given through local news networks.
The civil authorities have issued a hazardous materials warning for the following counties: Copiah, MS, beginning at 7:22 a.m., effective until 1:22 p.m. Message from WDFA/CAP. Contents of explosion have been confirmed. The explosion was found to be a natural gas explosion. However, due to the proximity to a truck containing toxic gases, evacuation orders remain in effect for those who are within the city limits. The mayor of Hazelhurst has ordered that no one except emergency officials are to remain in the city. Stay tuned for further updates.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Copiah County Emergency Management. A radiological hazard warning has been issued for Copiah County. At 8:18 a.m., a second explosion has occurred in the city of Hazelhurst. This explosion has been confirmed to have affected a hazmat truck in downtown, which has ruptured and confirmed to have released radioactive materials into the air in Hazelhurst. Winds are not expected to pick up or shift direction. As such, evacuations have been expanded to all persons within 15 miles of Hazelhurst. The governor of Mississippi has declared a state of emergency for Copiah County until further notice. It is likely that due to no wind spreading radiation, that areas surrounding Hazelhurst will remain uninhabitable or extremely dangerous for years to come. Special teams are currently rescuing pits left within the city before large-scale fallout begins in the city. Anyone not involved in fire containment or pet rescue is ordered to leave the 15-mile radius zone around Hazelhurst for your own safety. Further updates will be broadcast via local news network.